And know it pours out. Keep using it. Think they checked any of your fluids? Of course not. I think still going, yeah. Mine leaks too. Transition pan leaks again. I don't really care. Trying to clean up in here a little bit. It's getting better. It's more empty shit than full. But this was weird. Thought I was hallucinating, going, why do I keep seeing water drips in a bucket that I just cleaned out? The bucket's filling up with imaginary water. I go, what the hell? Come over here, I can barely squeeze this in here. I look over there, there's a hole in the ceiling. It's dripping off this. This whole thing's condensating. Lasts like a couple weeks or so. Are there rats up here again? No. It's probably from the hurricane, maybe. Yeah. Yep, all this stuff's in the hurricane, this mess. Because there were probably, I bet there was extreme. Look at it all blown. Yeah, it's in the hurricane. Even over there. That wasn't like that before. This foam blowing all over the place. Up here too. Yeah, the hurricane was probably blowing the crap out of this roof with currents. Interesting. Interesting. You see, like, this is all sweating and falling apart. We got the mold forming because it's condensating. Yeah, over there too. That's common for this, but I don't know what that drip is, man. Unless we're low on refrigerant, which is the HFC stuff, which is extreme money. Well, we just put a pan over there for now, and hopefully that does something. No one will ever know. Yeah, it's definitely from the hurricane. That's weird. I got like a water leak too in that corner over there. Or had. It almost looks like there's something wet right over there in the sheetrock. Over there too. Crack piece. Wow. I don't know. Like something weird over there. Looks like it's wet over there too. Maybe not. Different color. Who knows? We need a bright light to really confirm. But anyway, that's interesting. Another problem with condo land. You just can't go a week without someone fucking something up, smashing into stuff. Or, yeah. I say the AC trade sucks. Because, well, you'll do like 80 something down here, but really want to deal with this heat? I sure don't. I don't want to deal with the heat.